Hello, my fellow Rocketeers. Welcome to or back to the channel. All right, folks, in this Texas Shootout highlight reel, we're going to show you how to flame broil your rocket. The Texas Shootout weekend started very nicely. Gorgeous day, a little bit windy. We put a very large rocket, 6-inch diameter, with an O motor on the pad, and things will go from bad to worse real quick here. At this point, we can clearly see that the rocket has suffered an anomaly, a catastrophic at takeoff, or CATO, and this is bad, but at least the parts land on the ground, and we could salvage some things, right? Okay, wait, what's going on here? All right, to fully understand what's going on here, we're going to need a little background information on large motors, and this is an O motor. It's a very large rocket motor. Large rocket motors, it's very common to glue all of the base grains together, making essentially one big chunk of propellant, as you can see there in the air. Okay, now we need to unpack a whole bunch of additional information related to rocket motors. This particular failure was a forward closure failure, meaning the top of the motor came off, and we have a 6-inch diameter motor tube now open at one end and a small orifice through the nozzle at the other end. Oftentimes when rocket motors come apart in this manner, the grains extinguish themselves, but unfortunately not in this case. What we're looking at this point in time now is the front of the rocket on the ground, the lit motor parts, the remaining grains that are bonded together have now lit themselves and generated just enough thrust to extricate themselves from the motor tube and push themselves up into the air. Finally, we get to watch the grains land on the ground in a very unfortunate position, direction, and location. So that, my friends, is how you end up with roasted rocket, or rocket al carbone, or whatever you want to call it. But this is how you cook a rocket to death. The last note I'll add here is that I actually sped this burn up to at least 2 times the speed. This burnt for a very long time. Yeah, you got bubbles inside there, buddy.